हमारे ये ऑफिसर्स ने डबोलिम एयरपोर्ट जो कि गोवा का एयरपोर्ट है, एक पैसेंजर से करीब 12 टन तोलाबाज ये सीज किया है गोल्ड। ये उन्होंने एक मेजर दे हैव थवार्टेड, दे हैव प्रिवेंटेड ए मेजर अटेम्प्ट ऑफ स्मगलिंग टू take the gold out of the Goa airport. The passenger name is Santosh Sridhar Malgaonkar. He is a resident of Kharghar, Navi Mumbai, and he was coming from Dubai by flight number AI Air India flight, morning flight. So the gold, the value of gold is approximately 35 lakhs. That is so he was basically a carrier. Somebody has handed over the gold to him.